Traders, Zelma here, August 22nd, 2018, after the market closed, going to provide another update on ticker symbol BFCH, Bit Frontier Capital Holdings. As you can see, it's been battling around the 4s to 5s. The support level is this level, it keeps saying 100 times. Went down to like 0.0036 or so, or something of that nature, 0.00, I'll tell you right now, 38. It hit that low twice, and then buyers came in and bought it right back. We had two heavy buying modes, one 2 days ago, 2 trading days ago, and I believe that was on a Monday, and today an additional 2+ million shares being purchased. It bought it over 0.066 at one point, but then there's sellers apparently weighing her down for some reason, and been weighing her down since this level, and now we're at a trading channel once again. And I say once again because a lot of stocks I've been posting lately has been in the trading channel. But there's a 12 billion share cancellation coming along. Actually, BFCH, Bit Frontier Capital Holdings Twitter handle, they actually reached out to me because I asked them what's going on with the cancellation. And they stated that it's in the process. They actually tweeted back or replied back to my tweet. So follow me at Trading Teacher and review it for yourself. It's in the process of being canceled. They said hopefully we should receive some type of update in the coming days or so. So be prepared. Once again, if you want to take a course with myself, visit my site, thetradingteacher.com. And you can follow me on Twitter at Trading Teacher. And that's my phone.